how to fix dealer not working in Schedule 1. Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix the issue of your dealer not working in Schedule 1. Make sure to watch till the end so you don't miss any of the steps. Alright, let's get started with the first fix. Sometimes the issue is just a temporary bug. So try pressing escape and fully quitting the game, not just going to the main menu, but completely closing it and restarting it. That simple restart often helps clear up glitches and gets things working again. Now, if that doesn't work, the second thing you should check is your inventory and customer assignments. If you're selling directly to customers who are already assigned to one of your dealers, you might be interfering with their job. If a dealer tries to sell to someone you've already served, it can break their loop and stop them from doing business. So double check to make sure you're not stepping on their sales. And if none of that helps, as a last resort, you might need to fire your dealer and replace them. To do that, go find them in the world, like near the basketball court, for example. Once you've located them, you can end their run, which means hitting them or otherwise removing them from your operation. That will free up the slot so you can recruit a new, hopefully bug-free dealer. So those are the main ways to fix the problem. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.